Today I'll be doing a quick project. You may notice that the headlights are not perfect. One is good. You can see that there's no rust on the reflector, but this one looks like it's completely eaten away. So what I'll be doing is I'll be opening it up and replacing it with another one I found from an Indian model. So what happens is the reflectors are the same, but the glass and the inside parts, that inside plastic, is different. I may be blacking it out. I think I'll decide when I open it up. But let's see how the condition is and we'll go from there. So you've got this clip over here, not sure if you can see it, and that keeps the indicator in place. But sometimes this grows really weak, so some people tie this to a bolt or something around with a wire, because I've seen indicators fall off. Looks like a lot of leaves have been getting everywhere. So now I'll go to, now I can access these clips that let me remove the headlight. So now that I've changed the internals of the headlight, it looks alright. They were a bit, they lost their chrome finish, so I just put on some spray paint. It looks okay, I'm not too happy with it. At some point I'm going to have to open them up properly and remove the internal part also, that plastic stuff there. And over here you can see what was left over. It's all rusted. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the grille because it is bent. Looks like the car did have an accident at some point. So I'll fix the dent and then I'm going to paint it black because it won't look great after it's had this dent and with the chrome. So I'll be able to just clean this whole thing up.